Welcome back, everybody. So for today, we're going through the second session of our NLA demo series. So we will be talking about the Master Lease Agreement. On the first session, we spoke about just general accessibility of NLA, how to get there, about the landing page and different options that are available. So for today, we'll walk you through the different elements that make up the Master Lease Agreement, what it is, what it's supposed to be doing, and we'll walk you through that from a system. So from here, as you can see, we're able to view the landing page of Nakisa Lease Administration. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my first Master Lease Agreement. So if you remember, the first landing page always brings us to the Master Lease Agreements. So a Master Agreement within Nakisa Lease Administration is actually the umbrella for multiple lease contracts. And it's the first level of setting up leases within the application. So it's really where you start identifying your hierarchy for reporting purposes and where you start entering certain high-level information. So from here, as you can see, we have three different pages. The first one is the definition page, followed by partner, and then the contract list. So within the definition page, we're able to view and enter certain general information. So from here, as you could see, we're able to enter certain details such as the language, certain information such as agreement group, MLA category, legal jurisdiction. This could be repurposed for reporting later on. Within the hierarchy section over here, we're able to start identifying the hierarchy of the lease. So the highest hierarchy is the lease area. So you can think of this as a geographic region, followed by the lease business unit. And based on the combination of those two, we're able to select the company code. So the company code is actually the driver of all the master data, and master data may include vendor master, cost centers, GL accounts, so on and so forth. Below the company code, we have the option to include a lease department. So a lease department is sort of like a corporate department such as accounting or marketing or IT. And then we have the lease group. This could be the type of asset that is being leased. For example, it could be IT equipment, vehicles, office lease, so on and so forth. From here, we also have the option to include trading partners. So this may be entered to indicate that you have intercompany leases and to just flag them. So as you can see from here at the master agreement level, we don't have to select the company code. It is optional. If you do select it, then you're forcing this company code to have to be included for all the contracts below this master agreement. If you keep it open and you don't select it, this will allow you to enter different company codes for each contract belonging to this master agreement. So from here below that, we're able to view the signature section. So we're able to track signature, we're able to upload PDF documents, and we're able to view that in the Open Document Viewer section over here. So as you can see, I have a PDF document uploaded. I could have as many as needed, and I could toggle between them by selecting my document. So from here, I could take a look at the different pages. And actually, from here, we could actually tag different fields. So this will allow you to locate this field in the PDF document. So for example, I have signing person and I have a blue tag next to it. If I click on it, I'm able to get to this particular tag within the PDF document. So if you wanted to add a tag, you could simply click on Add Tag and select the area within the PDF document. So the next time you log in, or anybody that has access to this MLA logs in, they're able to access this blue tag and click on it. We're also able to add comments over here. So if I click on Edit Comment, I'm able to view the actual comment that is entered along with the date and timestamp and the user that entered it. All right, so after we finish completing the definition page, we have the partner page next. So this allows us to enter our lenders if we have any. So from here, you have the option to add a lender. It's not really your lessor. It's just a lender. It's used for informational purposes if you would like to include it in the Master Lease Agreement. And we also have the option to enable user notifications. So this will allow us to select certain users that have specific roles and responsibilities assigned to their user ID. And those users will get notified once this MLA is ready for approval. So at this point, once you approve the MLA, you can start creating contracts belonging to it. So from here, we're able to view that underneath this specific MLA, we have 3 different contracts.